our disc all primed and ready.
This was our lovely table that we found that somebody threw away.
So your child's channel, we're going to be making a nice platter.
Actually, that sounds a little bit Muppety.
Keep in mind, folks, I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm using this.
Oh, now you tell us. I thought you were an expert.
Well, no. Yeah, spin the palette.
Well, we're going the same direction. I should probably spin that way.
Oh, the other direction.
Did I do anything yet?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can do stuff?
You could do stuff. Okay, so I think it's time for orange.
There's that crazy red.
Oh, it's making me dizzy.
This is looking freaky, by the way. If you didn't know this, it's looking really strange.
Don't know what we're doing, but...
Oh, it looks like a pizza.
Pizza.
Acrylic paint pizza. Need more cheese on the pizza?
I need more cheese.
Swirly look?
Swirly look.
Isn't that where you stick your head in the toilet?
I think so.
Get a swirly? And flush it? Isn't that called a swirly? Mm-hmm. Not that I would know.
What kind of high school did you go to?
Oh, see, not that I would know. I never had a swirly. I never had an atomic wedgie, and I never had a swirly. Of course, the night is young. That looks like pizza to me.
I'm worried about the tripod, though.
Oh man, we gotta watch that tripod. It's not permanent stuff, is it?
Do you want to... Yeah.
No, that's alright. Well, oh, this is all over the tripod.
Oh, well...
Well, it's acrylic, right? So it should come off the water?
It should.
Okay. Is it supposed to be this messy, or just the way I'm doing it?
Well, I don't know. All right.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
Think we got something here?
I think so. And now you just have to bake it in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. Oh, wait a minute. We're not a cooking channel, are we?
The jury's still out on this one.
Well, if we waited until we knew what we were doing, we'd do nothing, so...
We don't have that kind of time.
No. All right.
Alright, now let's see once it dries.
Yep.
Alright, so what you got for us?
Purples and magentas and all sorts of fun things in here, so...
Can I join your hippie party? It's so odd working not precise and not...
I know. It's got to be driving you crazy.
Yeah, a little bit. You're not coloring inside the lines. It looks cool though, I have to admit.
I like that.
Yeah. It's freaky.
Well,
I think we've improved it versus hurt the artistic value of it. Well, I think this is a vast improvement. But it is driving me a little bananas.
Oh, I mixed way too much.
You could do a couple of t-shirts and sell them at the Grateful Dead concert.
You read my mind.
I know this is your hippie vision. I'm looking less and less like a pizza every time I look at it, so I'm happy with that.
It looks like little purple sperm.
Oh, great. Now it's got to get fixed. I think that one completely off.
How about that? You want me to add any of the other colors to give it some contrast?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just...
Hey, you gotta talk to the artist in the family.
Is that the look we were going for?
Sure, why not? What do you think? It's pretty funky.
Well, that is definitely a piece of pizza.
Oh my god.
All right, let's leave it alone. Let's let it dry. Come back and let's see what it tells us.
That's right.
To be continued.